So when we say businesses and organizations marking special moments or bringing awareness. Now let's dig into the problem. The problem is many times they settle for low quality, or the design process is confusing.
I like that. I have to say, it makes me feel better that I see you struggling a little. I feel like I just can't get traction because I just maybe don't really know what I'm doing. Or
You have, you have what's called the curse of knowledge.
oh, that's a good way to put it.
Yeah. So much about your product that to say, like, to even just use the word collectibles, you're like, yeah, but it's more than just a collectible, because a collectible could be like Star Wars figures, baseball cards, or whatever. Well, it's not baseball cards. Well, how do I say it in a way that many businesses and organizations use pins and challenge coins and buckles, and that's where you're starting to insert the commas. People
That's
are like,
where I came up with it's personal achievements. It's personal to them. You went up a rank, you joined a unit,
but to put the phrase a special moments, that kind of encompasses all that. Or bring awareness. So the problem is they often settle for low quality, and the design process can be confusing. So then the next piece of it would be the success. At the end of the day, what somebody wants is something that they're proud of.
Right.
They can take pride in.
Oh, that's good.
Let's say that.
Take pride. My little one of my canned emails ends with, we want to make a product that you're proud to own.
Yeah. They are proud to own. Yeah, I like that. So I think we've landed on something that is a great start.
Yeah,
Many businesses and organizations use collectibles to mark special moments or bring awareness. The problem is they often settle for low quality, and the design process can be confusing. We have a thorough process so everyone gets the final product they are proud to own. Gets a final product they are proud to own. For some reason, that last sentence is bugging me. Where I'm getting stuck here is we're using the word process twice. The problem is they settle for low quality, or the design process can be confusing.
Oh, I see. There's process again. We have a thorough system.
Yeah. Would you say it's a system?
Yeah. At least it is for me. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Same. It may not be. It could be clearer to the customer, but for me, it's the same system every time. Fine. You could just say it gets an item they're proud to own, because is final a given?
Yeah, that's true.
It's the end of the process.
Yeah. Okay. We have a thorough system, so everyone gets an item they are proud to own. Okay. I like that. So I think we've landed on this. Many businesses and organizations use collectibles to mark special moments or bring awareness. The problem is that often people settle for low quality, or the design process can be confusing. We have a thorough system so everyone gets an item they are proud to own. Now, the desire, again, that we probably both have is to expound on that, But I think that brings enough, that checks enough boxes to go, these are the people I serve, this is the issue that they face, and this is what we do that's unique.
Right.